see the water levels. See how the light's shining on it? The water level is just above the coils. These were really low. Hey gang, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at my 2022 Lexus RX. And this is the battery, the original battery. And usually after 3 to 4 years, right around there, the 4th year, it starts crapping out. A lot of times, a lot of people don't check the water level in the battery. You don't have to add acid, but you do sometimes have to add some water. This one does come off. These have little clips. You can just pop these off. We're going to pop these off and we're going to fill it with some water. Very easy to do. Make sure you have gloves. Basically, a flathead screwdriver should be able to get those open. Go slowly. Wear your safety glasses. And I always use distilled water. You have to use distilled water. Super important. If you don't, all the minerals and all the whatever's in the regular water is all just crap. It'll kill your battery. So if you don't use distilled water, it'll destroy the cells inside. So make sure you use distilled water. Very, very important. Buy the $1 gallon of water and use it. And I got a little syringe for precision filling. That's why I actually, hopefully this will work out. I actually made it, so I think hopefully it'll hold up and I'll be able to fill it, and we'll get it going with that. Hopefully it'll work out. If not, we'll have to do it by manually. See if I get that tight. Yeah, should be okay. That's pretty tight, yeah. But I think this might work out. And I guess maybe I'll put a little tape on here just to hold it up. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to pop these off, fill them up, and that's all you got to do. Real simple. This is a quick video. Very important maintenance. A lot of times these batteries get hot. The acid and water evaporate, and the batteries die. It's as simple as that. So if you maintain them, you might get another year or two for another $1 for some water, distilled water, and they really extend the life of your battery. So let's fill it up and see how it works. Okay, guys, I took one off. I actually thought they popped off here. They don't. This is a whole cap, comes right off, so you didn't even need the screwdriver. Just wedges it back and forth. You can see the holes for the battery. You can actually smell the acid, the sulfur coming out of the battery. So you just want to top these off. That's pretty much all you got to do. That's so important to do that. So I get my water here. My water. Let's see if I can get this to work correctly. And let's see. Let's do this. Now, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. If you enjoy this type of videos, just top them right off to the top of the level, not any higher. These are low, by the way. They're actually very low. I'm surprised. So this could be on its way out, the battery. These levels are extremely low. So let's keep filling it up. This is just the first one. Wow. All right, I can see the water. So as soon as you see the water, you stop and just go right down the line. Fill each one of these up one at a time. Use something like this, or if you have a turkey baster that you don't need anymore, that would work too. So that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna finish topping these off, and that's pretty much it, guys. This is a quick video, but I think this small maintenance is a big deal, because if you don't do it, I think this battery was primed to crap out. Because these things are pretty damn low. Wow. And I can smell the sulfur. So when you smell the sulfur really strong like that, that means it's really low. At least it's my experience. And let's see here. That one looks good. You don't want to top. You just want just to see the bubble in the bottom, just to see the water level. That one's good. Actually, this is working out pretty good. It's really easy when you got this kind of system. That way you can look inside. Let's see this one. All right, that one's full. That one's good. 2 more to do. And that's it, guys. This is a really quick video. So definitely do this. Don't be afraid. Just be careful when you pop the caps off. And it's important to be able to see inside where the water channel is. Let me try to get a little bit of a close-up and show you what I'm talking about real quick. I want you to see here. So you can see the water levels. See how the light's shining on it? The water level is just above the coils. These were really low. And this one's low. This one's low too. This one's all right. This one is okay. These 4 here were really, really low, but quite a bit of water on them. And they're just going to finish topping these off. And this is important to do. So especially after 3 years, they get hot in the summertime. They evaporate. And this is going to extend this battery, hopefully another year, maybe even 2. Let's continue filling it. I use about maybe a quart of water anyway, maybe a little bit more. Let me just top this off. That looks good. That looks good. This one a little low still. Yeah, that one looks good. I can't get over how low these were, man. All right, that should do it. They all look pretty good. Let's pop on the caps, wipe it all down, and we should be good to go. All right, guys, if you learned something, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate it as always. Just got to tap these down, wipe everything down with a nice rag. And I can smell the sulfur, man. It's really strong. You can just know something's going on here with these batteries, you know. Guys, just one more quick tip. I want to just let you know, when you put these caps on, just make sure you tap them down like the edge of the screwdriver. Make sure they're seated. Sometimes they have to be just tapped in to make sure they are seated correctly. Just lightly tap the four corners. And you can tell when these weren't seated all the way, so I tap them down. You want to make sure they are nice and seated. You don't want them popping off. All right, that's it. Okay, guys, just wanted to make sure you fill that in. Very, very important. So that's what I have. So if I brought you some value, guys, smash the like button, like and share and subscribe. It means a lot to me. It does help me out, and hopefully I brought you some value by doing simple maintenance with basically some distilled water, a little hose, and save yourself another $150, maybe it'll extend it for another year or two. So that's the idea behind that. Eventually it will crap out, but that's just the way it is. But you can maintain these properly. You can get 5, 6, 7 years if you maintain these. And that's really a good idea for some $1 worth a gallon of water, and you're good. All right, guys, appreciate it. And I'll see you at the next review.